So today I'm going to have kumpir, which is a famous dish in Turkey. It's basically baked potato with many items inside and cheese, and it's so yummy. It's the famous dish. So I thought of taking you guys along, and I'll show you how it's made, and then I'll have it with you guys. Let's go. So that's the place in Bornova. We're having kumpir. It's baked potato like this, mixed with cheese and salt, and these items. Merhaba abi. Pakistan.
Merhaba Pakistan, hello.
Oh.
Turkish. Turkey. O kadar enerji yeter.
How old are you?
21.
21.
Kaçtı?
21. 11 yaşında.
11.
11 mi?
Yok, 11 yok.
Ne 11 sen?
11.
Teşekkürler.
Diğerini.
Atacaklar.
Oy.
Hani bak oradan çek, burayı da çek.
This is the restaurant. That's our kumpir. This is so yum and so filling and heavy. Kumpir was so yum. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया गरम गरम आप सबके साथ खाने में. And now I'm heading back to my dorm. So see you next time with another vlog. Good night. Bye bye.